Kimberly Clark is a consumer goods company. We had $19.7 billion in sales last year. Some of our major brands are the Huggies diaper brand, the Scott brand, the Kleenex brand, some of those brands I hope you're familiar with. Approximately 5 years ago, the leadership of the Kimberly Clark Corporation came to each of the business support groups, including transportation, with a challenge to deliver more value to the bottom line of Kimberly Clark. In essence, we had to drive more freight savings. We had to come up with a plan to drive more freight savings with what we were doing with transportation. At that point, we were running a legacy TMS system. We made the decision that we needed to replace that legacy TMS system with a more robust TMS system to get those transportation freight savings for Kimberly Clark. At Kimberly Clark, we chose the JDA Transportation Manager, Transportation Planner, and ABPP solutions. It was really all about the optimizer. The optimizer, in our analysis, JDA had by far the best-in-class optimizer of the other solutions we looked at. We knew that the optimizer could drive the type of savings that we needed in the transportation organization at Kimberly Clark. The platform has allowed us to do a tremendous amount of customization to take our business model for transportation planning and customize it in a way that allows us to greater utilize the JDA Transportation Management tool. It allows us to do some things that we were not able to do with our legacy TMS, including real-time constraints around service, actually around time constraints. So those are things that were not available in our legacy TMS that really helped us drive the savings that we are now seeing with the JDA Transportation Manager and Transportation Planner solutions. The features of the JDA Transportation Manager optimization, again, allow us to be more flexible with our constraint management around the optimizer to produce a more optimal plan to really realize the freight savings piece of optimization. By using the JDA optimizer versus our legacy TMS optimizer, we are saving an incremental $12 to $14 million a year in freight savings. We were able to get the payback on the implementation of the JDA transportation solution within 1 year. I think the solutions allow us, it gives us a competitive advantage as we are able to, again, save more freight dollars or reduce our freight costs for Kimberly Clark, which allows then those dollars to be applied to actually making and selling the product, which is what we're in the business to do at Kimberly Clark.